Most cloud systems today assume recovery works. We assume backups are valid and dependencies behave. But in reality, recovery is often validated for the first time during an actual outage. In my work running resiliency assessments across 100 plus cloud services, we have repeatedly seen this gap. At hyperscale, this assumption becomes even more dangerous because the cost of being wrong is not just downtime, it's cascading failures across distributed systems. What we have observed is simple. Resiliency is assumed by default and not continuously proven, and that gap is what this talk will address. The key idea is this: resiliency should not be treated as an operational concern. It should be treated as a product capability. Just like CI/CD or observability, we need a self-serving, scalable platform that continuously answers questions like, will the system recover? How fast will it recover? And at what cost in data loss? This means moving from a reactive to proactive, manual to automated, and assumed to measured resiliency approach. In this session, I'll walk through how we can build a resiliency assessment platform for Kubernetes infrastructure. The platform would enable automated fault injection to simulate real failure scenarios, AI-driven recovery paths recommendations, and continuous measurement of RTO, RPO, and system behavior. Instead of waiting for incidents to occur, we deliberately simulate outages and validate end-to-end recovery with this resiliency assessment platform. For example, we simulate scenarios like etcd quorum loss, control plane outages, or data loss in stateful workloads. And for every scenario, we measure recovery success, time to recovery, and hidden dependencies or single point of failures. This process surfaces failures that traditional testing never catches. The outcome was a shift from assumption based resiliency to evidence based resiliency. We reduced recovery times from days to hours for critical failures, and more importantly, we gave team confidence and not assumptions. If you attend this session, you will walk away with a practical model to productize resiliency patterns and operationalize failure testing at a scale, as well as a way to make recovery measurable, repeatable, and accountable. Because in modern cloud systems, resiliency assessments need to be periodic and should ideally be productized. Thank you.